Welcome to our YouTube channel Info News Diary by Farah Mansour. Today we are going to discuss about effective impact of pilgrims' visit in Saudi Arabian economy. The Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages are major economic drivers for Saudi Arabia. In 2019, before the COVID-19 pandemic, the kingdom earned an estimated $12 billion from the Hajj and $19 billion from the Umrah. This represented about 7% of Saudi Arabia's GDP and 20% of its non-oil GDP. The Hajj is a mandatory religious duty for all Muslims who are physically and financially able to make the journey. The Umrah is a non-obligatory pilgrimage that can be performed at any time of year. Both pilgrimages bring millions of Muslims to Saudi Arabia, which generates significant revenue for the kingdom through a variety of channels, including visa fees. Pilgrims must obtain a visa to enter Saudi Arabia for the Hajj or Umrah. The visa fee is typically around $100. Accommodation. Pilgrims need to stay somewhere during their time in Saudi Arabia. This can include hotels, guest houses, or even tents. Accommodation costs vary depending on the location and the type of accommodation. Transportation. Pilgrims need to get around Saudi Arabia, whether it's to travel between Mecca and Medina or to visit other holy sites. Transportation costs can be significant, especially if pilgrims are traveling from far away. Food. Pilgrims need to eat while they are in Saudi Arabia. Food costs can vary depending on the type of food and the location. Souvenirs. Many pilgrims like to buy souvenirs to remember their trip. Souvenir costs can vary depending on the item and the location. In addition to the direct revenue generated from pilgrims, the Hajj and Umrah also boost Saudi Arabia's economy in other ways. For example, the pilgrimages create jobs in the tourism, hospitality, and transportation sectors. They also stimulate economic activity in other sectors, such as retail and construction. The COVID-19 pandemic had a significant impact on the Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages. In 2020 and 2021, Saudi Arabia barred foreign pilgrims from entering the country due to the risk of COVID-19 transmission. This led to a significant decline in revenue from the pilgrimages. In 2022, Saudi Arabia allowed a limited number of foreign pilgrims to participate in the Hajj, but the number was still well below pre-pandemic levels. The Saudi government is hoping that the Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages will fully recover in the coming years. The kingdom has invested heavily in infrastructure and tourism development in Mecca and Medina in order to accommodate the growing number of pilgrims. The government is also working to promote the Hajj and Umrah as tourist destinations to attract more non-Muslim visitors. Overall, the Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages are a major economic driver for Saudi Arabia. They generate significant revenue for the kingdom and boost economic activity in a variety of sectors. The Saudi government is committed to promoting the pilgrimages and ensuring that they continue to be a major source of economic growth for the country. Thanks for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe.